Most of the material brought into Sweep is actually funded through the WE Directive. The way that works is the manufacturers that are producing new electrical products take the responsibility on to pay for the recycling of the waste electronics that's generated as part of that purchase. So when you buy a new telly, your old one comes to us for recycling. What's going on here is we have to quickly take apart the tellies to separate and get to the glass section that is actually the screen that you look at when you sit at home. During the disassembly process, we create valuable raw materials like copper, plastic and metal. And what we do here is we drop all the relevant materials down these chutes. So we have the cable down one chute, the yoke down another chute, and on the top we have a conveyor belt that takes away the circuit board until we literally get just left the glass section. Once we're there, we can then pass it on to the machine for recycling. Now, once the glass is now separate, so there's no plastic, no metal connected to it anymore, what we have to do to be able to recycle it is separate the back glass from the front glass. And what we do is we use a rotary diamond blade that cuts just underneath where the back glass joins the front glass. This has all the lead in, and this has some hazardous coatings. So if we separate one from the other, we can then recycle it, and it goes back into the TV industry. So it's actually making new glass telly. Our glass is cut and then dropped down a chute, and it uses gravity to smash it into a bag, producing a nice dense load of glass for transportation. We quite often move 26 tonnes of glass on one vehicle. The guys are working inside this building, dropping all their different outputs down the tubes into each separate container. Once those smaller containers are full, they get emptied into the bigger containers for transportation. This container here is full of TV yokes. Basically, there's a lot of copper and metal and plastics, and these have to go off to another TV yoke recycling plant. We have the latest cutting-edge technology that allows us to recycle over 2,000 tellies a day. We power the whole plant from renewable energy, so we're constantly thinking about our whole impact as far as recycling is concerned.